Hey everyone, today we're taking a look at a 3-bedroom, 2-bath manufactured home at 30 Stanton in Harbor Crossings. Harbor Crossings is a land lease community based in Egg Harbor Township, New Jersey. So this house has seen some major renovations. You can see these pictures here of the outside. We cleaned up all the lawn, cleaned the house on the outside. Here's the inside. This is a completely brand new looking kitchen. We painted all the walls here, brand new appliances, cleaned everything. There's new flooring throughout the house. You can see the before and after pictures in just a moment, and you'll just see how much progress has been made. Here you can see the before. In the back section of the kitchen as well, we also changed out all the cabinets and restained them. Here is the living room, which looks gigantic. Got this dining area over here. Now we'll take a look at the bedroom. These are those before pictures. You can see the walls that we repainted, the old flooring versus the new flooring now. Here is the bedroom, or one of the bedrooms, I should say. We've got brand new windows. This is your closet over here. Super high ceiling as well. Here is the bathroom. Shower on your left side here. Side by side vanity and sink. And I just think this looks absolutely exquisite. Here's the toilet over here. And now we'll take a look at the before photos. So we removed the carpeting in that closet there. Cleaned up everything in the bathroom. Replaced all the light bulbs. Painted the walls. Here again, you can see that super large living room. Here's your thermostat. This is the second bathroom. Now we'll take a look at the last two bedrooms. But before that, this is the before photos. So you can see the yellow color really doesn't do justice to this bathroom, and it looks much nicer with the white wall. This is one of the bedrooms. Got brand new carpeting in here. It says brand new windows, I mentioned before, and you've got this beautiful view on the outside. This is your closet right here. That's your whole house shut-off valve in the center there. And on the right of that little compartment is your water heater. And this is the third bedroom. Again, brand new carpeting, painted walls, new window. And here's your closet right here. Now, as we take a look at the before photos, if you're interested in this house or any of the other houses that we have to offer, please go to www.myhomeinharbor.com. There you can fill out the pre-qualifying questions, which will get you started on the path to owning your dream home. Thank you.